What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with a bomb natural unit, super effortless and easy to install, y'all. This is from Ilikehair. Y'all, let me just say right now, you gonna want to stay to the end, okay, about this one. This is so bomb. Most natural wig I've ever owned. The hair itself, the quality, everything about it is amazing. What lace is giving what lace for real, because it ain't no lace, y'all. You can go ahead and toss your glue, go ahead and put your got to be glue to the side. We about to get into this bomb install. If y'all are interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so we jumping straight into it with a little bit of packaging, just because this packaging was really cute. Y'all never really see me unbox units on my channel like that. I just get straight into installing them. But this packaging was so bomb. It was giving luxe, it was giving high quality, so you could tell the wig in the box was bomb. They also included this little package with everything that you would need to help with your install. So yeah, y'all, I love that they include this. That was really nice. There's even a comb for parting your hair and everything. The wig came in a net, and this is what it looked like straight out of the box, y'all. And it did have combs in it, one in the back, an elastic band, and some at the top, because this is an I-part unit. I did receive it in 18 inches, and it is a curly unit. So I'm about to just get into the actual install and also be telling y'all about this unit. So y'all see that I just have my hair parted down the middle into a slick back ponytail, kinda. I don't really slick it too much. I kind of wanted to keep it as natural as possible, because that's the whole point of this install, y'all. You don't need no glue, no gels or anything like that. You don't even need to pull out any leave out. It's literally like no leave out, no lace, no glue, which is really bomb. The roots of the hair is like, they created it to be like a closure, like a real part, so that it can blend with your hair without you actually having to pull hair out. So yeah, I love that. And the cap is super duper breathable as well. So I literally didn't use a cap under this wig. All I did was clipped it around my actual natural part, and now I'm just going to be styling the hair. It's literally that simple, y'all. I love this type of wig because it's so natural. If you don't want to be bothered with like lace and glues and all that stuff, and you want something that's natural that you can just throw on and pop it on in like about 5 minutes, this is definitely the wig for you. So make sure y'all definitely shop this wig. I will have the link down below, as well as a coupon code for y'all, so y'all can save some coins on this unit, okay? And just to give y'all some information about the hair itself, I love the texture. This looks like it could be my actual hair, which I love that they created it very natural. That's the whole point, once again, about the unit. And the hair itself is really nice, y'all. My fingers were gliding through this like curly hair, okay? So bomb. So I put out a little bit of edges just to lay the hair down, and I'm just doing the install process before I actually get ready to like install, you know, not install, but wet the hair and put product in it, which is what I'm gonna end up doing. As y'all seen earlier in the beginning of the video, the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner is what I'm using, but I'm just trying to get it to look really natural as possible up there. You want to make sure you clip all the combs in and secure it. The only thing I would say, I'm personally not a huge fan of combs, y'all. I really don't like combs like that. You kind of got to be careful installing any wig with combs, because if you do it improperly, your head could be sore. But yeah, other than that, love everything behind the wig. Like the fact that you can just clip it on and literally go and not have to be worried about leave out is bomb. So now y'all see me just going in with some plain water. I'm going to go in with the water all over the hair on both sides, and then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Do you see how this brush is gliding through the hair? That is exactly what I'm talking about. This was some really good quality hair. So yeah, I'm about to shut up now because I've been talking y'all heads off. That is basically like literally all there is to installing this wig. I'm just let y'all watch me style it for a little bit, and then I'll pop back in. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just putting some finishing touches on the hair and just kind of playing with the hair up top so that it can look a little bit more natural up there. But like I mentioned, they did create the closure of the unit to mimic roots of natural hair already. So yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of finessing. Y'all see me cut just a little piece of hair on one side because it looked a little bit longer. But yeah, y'all, other than that, that's literally the install. Like so easy. Love the density on this hair, by the way. I don't know exactly what the density is. Y'all can go check the information out in the description box, but it was giving full, honey. And your girl, of course, beat her face, and it just brought the look all together. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. This definitely will be my throw on wig when I want a natural look and when I don't want to spend all day doing my hair. All you gotta do is literally wet the hair, clip it in, and go about your day. Put a little bit of product in it, and yeah, y'all, this looks like it could be my hair. I love it. Make sure y'all check out the links down below and shop with them. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.